Hi, this is Henry Lam, a robotics PhD candidate from City University of Hong Kong and a founder of ASA Robotics Limited. ASA Robotics mainly engaged in the developing innovative robotic technologies and intelligent systems to facilitate robot application for our smart city. As a fast-growing deep tech R&D startup, we are eager to find more resources like capital investment, business network for market penetration, and also some manufacturing partnerships.
Hello, we are from Romi Technology and our product is new generation of light emitting devices, LEDs, for display and lighting applications. Our LEDs are more efficient and can save a lot of energy, and also we design it in a way to provide more human health friendly light compared to existing LED technologies. The deep tech is in some minority today, given into information technologies, and that's why we feel a little lack of investment support needed to move to the next stage of the mass production. And it was somehow aggravated by COVID restrictions as we were limited in establishment of new connections with potential partners.
I'm Ronald, founder of Movie. We are an AI one-stop logistics platform, offer logistics services for B2B and relocation services for B2C. Our platform contains logistics, storage, and recycling firms on board to assist truck and van services, including packaging, reassemble, storage, disposal, insurance coverage.
I am Manfred, CEO of RightsPick. RightsPick is a web-based system to analyze 20 best fit JUPAS programs for DSE students by big data and AI. The main challenge in this stage is to educate the students that selecting JUPAS program is not just by results and interests. The attribute of universities, faculties, departments, courses, anticipated job nature, culture, and environment, etc. is also very critical.
Hi, this is Peggy from Mayonia. We are focused on 3D printing solutions. We are an edtech company having hardware and software development on 3D printing. In this year, we have also set up our company in Taiwan and now expanding to Australia. Our mission is to unlock the imagination. As 3D printing is still not very popular in Hong Kong, we can see it is a future trend in the long term. The obstacle that we are facing is developed hardware in Hong Kong. To scale up the business, we need support on hardware development and customer service support so we can let more people to enjoy 3D printing. On the other hand, we would like to have more connections with different educational institutions. As we are an edtech company, we are also welcome to have different cooperation with different institutions to make the solution more down to earth and fit the needs in education.
Hello everyone, my name is Xiaomeng Li and I'm an assistant professor at the Department of Electronic and Computer Engineering at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. My research lies in the interdisciplinary areas of artificial intelligence and medical image analysis, aiming at advancing healthcare with machine intelligence. Before joining HKUST, I was a postdoc research fellow at Stanford University working with Professor Lei Xin. I obtained my PhD degree from the Chinese University of Hong Kong. The first difficulty I'm facing after being a junior faculty is lacking ways to broadcast our work during the pandemics. We cannot attend conferences and meetings in person, which hinders junior faculties from knowing more peers in the research area. And the second difficulty is that it is a bit more challenging for us to recruit talented students. So I hope that things will become much more better and we can have a normal life very soon, and we will have more. I hope that we will have more channels to broadcast our recruiting information and have more talented students joining us.
This is Yan Guang. I am an assistant professor in Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering Department at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. As we all know, the current use of fossil fuel brings many environmental issues, such as global warming and air pollution. To address these problems, many countries are trying to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. This is the so-called Paris Agreement on climate change. Our group at HKUST is developing advanced materials and structures, such as evaporative cooling coating, to mitigate the dependence of fossil fuel. Currently, we're truly facing several challenges and difficulties. First, it is quite a challenge for the young scientists such as us to get the connection with the industry partners. Second, our technology is at the very early stage, which needs further financial support from the government or industry. Finally, we need a partner to help us advertise or even commercialize our technologies. Thanks.
Indeed, I see many of my friends, they kind of get addicted to the tour, especially when they got the kids, got the families, when the family become top priority. And but I think this is the same for everybody's life, right? The life is about when to trade off your dreams. At some point, it's okay to trade it off, but somebody hold it for longer, somebody trade it earlier, right? I think there's a cons because this not a very job offer indeed. And that's why I have to travel all around the world. I actually chasing job offers. Right? So from Taiwan, go US, Europe, then Hong Kong. These are the topic that currently Hong Kong astronomers are studying. So what's my job? I have to pay them and feed them, right? So let me know if you know some guy rich and interested in astronomy. Right? We need support.
Indeed, we tend to overlook all these challenges. Therefore, Wildlaw is on a mission to help out all these aspiring scientists and entrepreneurs. We would like to introduce more resources to them so that we can all take sci-tech development forward. So for example, at the moment we're building MIH Club because we want to build an international smart community to gather all these top talents and leaders like scientists, entrepreneurs, policymakers, investors together so that we can do something together. On the other hand, we have established Inspire Science Grants, ISG. This is the first ever non-profit science grants in Hong Kong. And we would like to help these aspiring scientists to achieve their dreams. On the other hand, we're boosting digital literacy with local schools. We work very closely with them. We brought scientists and entrepreneurs to students. We also offer coding workshops to underprivileged students as well. We're on a very important and incredibly exciting journey. I hope you will join us.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm a primary market investor and a general partner of various institutes and families, focusing on venture and private equity deals. One of the biggest challenges in primary market investment is that a lot of traditional investors perceive investing in research and technology as a gamble, where they don't have the house advantage. That needs not to be the case if you have the correct methodology and co-investor to invest alone. As a pure capitalist, we look at numbers. What I love about Why Not is that as a charitable foundation, they don't look at numbers. However, what they are doing contributes a lot to the financial return that we as a capitalist are looking. Why Not is focusing on building and fulfilling a missing link of a sustainable sci-tech community where startups can grow and exit, and that create the hope of future to our next generation. Really appreciate for all the positive feedback and resource from our donors and corporate partners, so our teams can accelerate the success and make it happen.
Today, we host this charity golf tournament to develop new friendships, to tighten the connections of our distinct group members, and to draw more attention to our MIH Club. Your contributions to this tournament will enable this dynamic and high-power community to actualize scientists and entrepreneur visions. Here, we can share resources, experiences, connections to maximize our ability and empower those scientists and startups to move to a new page. Let's make transformative impact together. Let's make it happen.